Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel, and thank you so much for joining me again tonight for some guided meditation. I've been really looking forward to sitting tonight because it's been a challenging day. My kids have been cooped up in this house for the last month with only each other to play with, and they're starting to get on each other's nerves, like really. So tonight I'm sitting with rose quartz to just remind me of having love and compassion for everyone in the house, no matter where we are emotionally at this point. So, and I mentioned in last night's video that if you had questions about meditation, to make sure to put those in the comments and that I would answer those as the episodes went along. And Psychedelic Spirit Hunter asked, any tips on getting scatterbrain to go away? And I interpret that to mean the influx of thoughts that we have during meditation. Well, it is not an expectation that you sit in meditation with zero thoughts. That doesn't happen and it's impossible. But the intention of meditation and how it relates to your thoughts is that we don't get attached and run away with our thoughts. Like sitting on this cushion and daydreaming about what I'm going to cook for breakfast in the morning isn't meditation. However, when we do catch ourselves thinking about something, then the point is just to release it and come back to our breathing so that we're having an experience about what's going on with us right now and just being in the now with ourselves rather than off somewhere in the past or the future, just involved in our thoughts. So don't think that you have to sit in meditation with zero thoughts. But that if thoughts arise and you catch yourself thinking about them, that you just release it and come back to your breathing. So thank you very much for that question. And let's get started tonight. All right. And I'll set the timer because 10 minutes is a good time to give us some really good relaxation and breathing as we wrap up the day. So I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some long, deep breaths. As before, all you need is a comfortable seat and a place with few distractions. So breathing in and out. As you breathe, and make sure your spine is tall. Make sure that you're not slouching forward at all. You want your lungs to be open and able to breathe easily. And breathe deeply and slowly. And try to keep your attention on what it feels like to breathe. Notice how the air feels as it comes in through your nostrils and into your lungs. How it feels when you exhale. Does it breathing feel like it comes easily? Like your lungs are open and relaxed, or is there some tightness there, like it's a struggle to breathe? Also, when you breathe, let your belly expand with your inhale as well. Like breathe all the way down your whole torso. Of course, you're not taking in air in your stomach, but as you inhale, you can just let that whole area expand and then relax as you exhale. And if at any time you do find yourself lost in thought, then once you notice it, let it go. Come back to your breathing. Don't beat yourself up about it because it's normal. Attention to our breathing keeps us in the here and now. Better able to experience the moment. Being in the present moment helps you realize what's going on with you right now. That was not our timer. That was an alarm on my phone. Just keep breathing. And just like that unexpected alarm, if you find yourself distracted by thought, then just release it, because those thoughts will still be here later. And come back to your breathing. And if there are distractions and disturbances externally, then try not to run away with those and be focused on what's going on out there. This is your time for you, to be with you, to just breathe and settle, to give your brain a rest, to give your body a rest, and just sit and breathe. How does it feel like now to breathe? Has anything changed since the beginning of the meditation? And if you find that the occurrences of your thoughts is reduced, then that is excellent. But if it hasn't, if your mind is still racing, that is still fine. Because that is the moment for you. And not every meditation is going to be the same. As we come to the end of the meditation, just notice in your body if there's any tension or discomfort. And as you take some more breaths, try to release that tension, release that holding as you breathe. Every time you exhale, just release. Let it melt away. Wherever you might be holding something, your shoulders, your jaw, your forehead, your back. Breathe it out. Take several more slow breaths. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Well, thank you so much for joining me today during this guided meditation, and I hope this was a nice bit of peace and relaxation for you as you wrap up your day, and I hope it will help you sleep a little bit better tonight, or at least just enjoy your evening a little bit better. So again, if you have any questions about meditation or any crystals that you can use during meditation, then make sure to ask them in the comments below. And I wish you well tonight, and I wish you a really good day tomorrow. Thank you.